In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a project to GitHub without using the command line. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your GitHub account. Once you're in, navigate to the top right corner where you'll see your profile picture. Click on it and then select Your Repositories from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a page where you can manage all your existing projects. Next, look for a green button that says New and click on it. This is where you will create a new repository. A repository is basically a storage space where you can keep your project. You'll need to give your new repository a name. Think of something descriptive that represents your project well. Once you've entered the name, click on the button that says Create Repository. And just like that, your new repository will be ready for your files. Now you'll find yourself on a setup page. Here, you'll see a link that says Uploading an existing file. Go ahead and click that, and you'll be directed to the area where you can upload your files. Here's a handy tip. It's time to drag and drop your project files. If you've got folders that contain your assets, images, style sheets, or even your main file like index.html, just select all those files and drag them directly into the upload area. This is one of the easiest methods to get everything uploaded quickly. After you've dropped your files in, take a moment to make sure everything looks good. If all your files are there, scroll down and you'll see a button labeled Commit Changes. Click this button to save all the files you've just uploaded to your repository. This step ensures that your changes are saved, making everything accessible to you and others who may want to view your project. But we're not done yet. You want to make your project accessible online, right? So let's enable GitHub Pages. Head over to the Settings tab of your repository, which you can find on the menu right above the file list. Once you're in the settings, look for Pages on the left sidebar and click on it. Here, you'll set up how your project will be deployed. Under the Build and Deployment section, you need to set the source for your GitHub Pages site. Make sure it's set to Deploy from a branch. Then, under the Branch dropdown, select Main or whatever branch you're using. After that, go ahead and click Save. You're almost there. Give it just a moment to process and then refresh the repository page. If everything went smoothly, you should see a live URL where your static site is hosted. You can click on that link to open your project in a new tab and see it in action. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded your project to GitHub without touching the command line at all. Pretty simple, right? If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.